Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you a new feature that we have added to the job sheet. Now, whenever you create a job sheet and a record product is not available in stock, the system will automatically notify both inventory team and the purchase team. Let me show you how it works. Go to the job card and create one job sheet. I will just add a sample customer and the vehicle details. So now I am adding a product. And let's say this product is not available in the store. In that case, you will notice that the raise pivot option gets enabled automatically. So go ahead and click save. Now you can check this in expense pending and inventory pending. Here you can see that an indent has been created to raise a PO for this particular job sheet. The same indent is also visible in the inventory pending section. From here you can take further action like you can raise a PO or you can generate a GRN. So this feature helps streamline the process whenever stock is not available, making the coordination between teams much easier. Thank you.